So children, today we are going to discuss about the oxidation number. Okay, what is oxidation number means? It is the number of electrons gained or lost or shared. What is oxidation means? It is number of electrons gained or lost or shared by a atom. This is called oxidation number. Okay, you won't understand that much easily, children. I will let you know, don't worry. So first, oxidation numbers means indirectly I can say valency also, children. Indirectly I can say valency. What is valency? Combining capacity of an element is called valency. Some oxidation numbers I will tell you, children. Remaining I will tell you how to do. So almost 10-15 questions I will do. Remaining I will give for you as well. Listen carefully, children. It's very easy topic. You can understand. First 20 elements. Listen: hydrogen, helium, lithium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. All of you are listening now? Okay. Carbon,
Sir, beryllium.
beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Please listen, children, all of you. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Helium valency is zero. You all know because it is stable gas and it has outermost completely filled. Neon is also zero. Argon is also zero. Remaining all elements also will try to attain their configuration because they are highly stable. They also either by giving electrons or taking electrons, they attain their stability. Hydrogen to go to helium, it should take one electron, H minus one, or hydrogen can give also plus one. Only hydrogen, this is ambiguity, children. Only confusion is hydrogen. Hydrogen can take electron and hydrogen can give electron. Remaining all, no other problem. Lithium to go to helium should give one electron, so Li plus one. You're able to understand, children? Lithium to go to helium, if it gives one electron, it also gets helium configuration. Means 3, if it becomes 2, it will also have helium stability. Beryllium to go to helium should give 2 electrons. So B is plus 2. This is only oxidation number or valency chain. Boron to go to helium, it should give 3 electrons. So B plus 3. Carbon can go here or can go to neon also. So just 4. It will share 4 electrons. Carbon will share 4 electrons. Nitrogen is better to go to neon, children, instead of going to helium. It will take 3 electrons, N minus 3. Oxygen will go to neon only, O minus 2. Fluorine to go to neon, it has to take 1 electron. If it takes 1 electron, it will get neon contribution. Sodium to go to neon, it should give 1 electron, Na plus 1, Mg plus 2, Al plus 3. It shares 4 electrons. P minus 3, S minus 2, Cl minus 1. K to go argon, K plus 1. Calcium to go to argon. So what I mean to say is, all this plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, what I am writing are oxidation numbers only, children. They are oxidation numbers. So oxidation numbers is number of electrons it may gain or lose or share to attain stability. Okay, children. These are general. Up to 20, you should know their charges. Compulsory, you should know their charges. Up to 20, minimum, you should know their charges, valencies, or oxidation numbers. Okay, children. Please, I hope everyone are copying. Everyone should keep copying with me, children. You should not sit idle. Okay, children. Now, how to find oxidation numbers? How to find oxidation numbers, children? Very easy. It will be like questions will come like this. Shall I rub this? I'm rubbing this, children. How to find oxidation numbers? Children, if you know oxidation numbers, then it will be easy for you to balance the reactions. Okay, children, oxidation. Children, in all elemental form, now only I'm saying, in elemental form, take oxidation number 0. What does it mean, sir? You will get. If I say sodium, it is 0, children. But if I say sodium ion, it is plus 1. Okay, you're able to understand? No means again. If I say oxygen, it is 0. If I say oxide, it is minus 2 oxidation. In elemental form, you take 0. Okay, children? And total oxidation number will be always equal to 0 or its charge What does it mean, sir? You will ask me. I will let you know. As you keep doing sums, you will only understand. Don't worry at all. some numericals I will tell how to do, then you will only understand children. 10, 15 sums I will tell. After that, you will be in a position to do. I'll give you some numericals children. I will tell 10 or 15 questions. I will tell. Remaining you tell. Okay. Chalo children, all of you please concentrate here. Start. First question. I will give you examples. You keep copying children, then you will understand. Okay. All of you. First one. Find oxidation number of iron in Fe2O3. This is the question. Please listen, children. First question you will not understand. After doing 5, 6 questions, you will understand. How many irons are there, children? 2 are there, no? 2x, because we don't know iron. But oxygen, I told you, it is -2. First 20 I gave, no? Oxygen -2 I gave, no? So how many are there? 3. 3 into -2 is equal to 0. Because, why 0, children? Because there is no charge on iron oxide, no charge. No charge means 0. Suppose here -1 is there, then you put minus. Okay. As you keep doing, you'll understand, children. So 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 will come here. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to plus 3. This is oxidation number of iron. You keep copying, children. After 10 questions, you ask me doubt if you have any doubt. Okay. You will understand. By 10 questions, you will understand. Second question, children. Second question. Find oxidation number of chlorine in KClO3, potassium chlorate. K is +1. Now only I give no chlorine I want, so I'll put X. Sir, chlorine also you gave no, sir. Why again? Means they will ask like that only. Oxygen is -2. I gave you in first 20. I gave you oxygen is -2. So 3 into -2 is equal to 0. 3 into -2. Okay, children. 1 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. Okay, children. So what is the oxidation number of chlorine in potassium chlorate, KClO3? It is 5. What 5 plus 5? Okay, children. As you keep doing, you will understand, children. They are very, very easy, children, actually. Okay. Find the oxidation state of sulfur in SO4 minus 2. SCs we want. So X. How many oxygens are there? 4. 4 into -2. Oxygen is -2, no, children. And what is, you should not put 0, children, here. Why? Because they gave -2. This -2 is not for oxygen, for entire sulfate ion. Okay, na? Okay, na, children? X minus 8 is equal to -2. -8 comes here. X is equal to -2 plus 8. X is equal to +6. So sulfur is +6. Okay, children. I told you, no, after doing 10 sums, you will only understand. Next. Next. Find the oxidation state of iron in iron nitrate, ferric nitrate. Ferric nitrate. What is this iron, children? X plus. Nitrate, yesterday, if you remember, I gave -1, no, children, nitrate -1. But how many are there? 3 are there. 3 into -1 is equal to 0. Oh, nothing is there, no charge, so 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. What 3, children? Plus. Okay, children, don't come to a conclusion. After doing 10 sums, it will become very easy. Cakewalk. So 4 sums I told children. I'll tell 10 to 15 sums I will tell children. Don't panic. Keep copying one below each other. Don't do it as a rough column. Okay. Haphazardly you don't do it neatly, you, so that you will understand whenever you see that. It will be useful for your future also, children. All competitive exams, all intermediate, everything, +1, +2, everywhere it will be useful, children. Next. Okay, children. Now listen. I keep going little bit fast now. Find oxidation state of strontium in strontium carbonate. Strontium carbonate, X I say. X plus. Children, yesterday carbonate, if ever you remember, I gave -2. Do you remember, children? -2. CO3 -2 is equal to 0. So X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. Over, simple. Next, find oxidation state of sulfur in Na2SO3, sodium sulfide. Sodium sulfide. I asked it sulfur, no? So, children, sodium, just now I gave a list in sodium, that is +1. You check if you want list. 2 are there, so 2 into 1 plus sulfur is X plus oxygen is -2. I gave in the list, you check. So 2 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4. What 4 plus 4? Okay, children. I hope you are a little bit okay. Easy it is becoming. Now CaClO taken twice. Okay. Here I want chlorine. What is the oxidation state of chlorine? Okay, children. Ca, if ever you see in the list, I gave +2. Chlorine I want, but how many chlorines are there? 2. 2x. How many oxygens are there? 2 are there, children. Plus 2 into -2 whole is equal to 0. 2 plus 2x minus equals 0. 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 comes here. 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 1. Okay, children. 2 comes down. X is equal to 1. I hope you are able to understand. Okay. Some more, children. Some more we'll discuss. Don't worry. Some more we'll discuss. Aluminium in Al2O3. Aluminium in Al2O3. How many aluminiums are there, children? 2. So 2x. Plus 3 into oxygen is how much? -2. Nothing is there, charge, so 0. 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to how much, children? X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Okay, children. I will discuss, children, as many sums as you want, but don't get confused. These are very important, children. Next, okay. Keep copying, children. Keep copying along with me. Okay? Keep copying. Don't sit idle. If you sit idle, you will not understand anything. Find the oxidation state of xenon in xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon means X. Fluorine 4 are there. I gave in the list fluorine is -1 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4. Okay. Next, find the oxidation state of chromium in K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate. I want for Cr. Children, for potassium I give +1. For oxygen I give -2. If ever you remember. So 2 into 1 plus 2x plus 7 into -2 is equal to 0. 2 plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. 12 goes there. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 6. What is x, children? 6. What is the oxidation state of chromium in potassium dichromate? 6. Okay, next one. Next one, children. What is the oxidation state of Mn in KMnO4, potassium permanganate? K is +1, children. Mn you want. Oxygen is -2. Nothing is there above, so 0. 1 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0. -7 comes here. X is equal to 7 plus 7 is the oxidation state of manganese in potassium permanganate. Okay, children. Still, I will say some more sums. I will say, children. Next, what is the oxidation state of chromium in K2CrO4? Okay, potassium chromate. So 2 potassiums, 2 into 1 plus x you want. Oxygen's 4 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6. What 6 plus 6? Okay, children. I will tell some more sums, children. Almost till now 12 sums I told. Okay, after this I will give some questions to you. I will ask you one by one. I will ask you. Then I will give some list as a homework. Everyone should try at home, children. Okay. Now 12 sums I told, children. Some 3 more sums I will do. After that, whatever questions I give, you have to copy and I will be asking you. You should tell, children. 13th question, children. 13th question. What is this? Mn. Find the oxidation state of Mn in MnO2. So Mn is what, children? X plus 2 into oxygen is -2 always is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. Next one, children. Find oxidation state of sulfur in Na2SO4O6. Na2S4O6. Okay, children. I think this is NaLO2. I forgot what is the name of this compound. Anyway, so children, sodium is +1. I told 2 are there. Plus 4x because 4 sulfurs. The 6 into -2 is equal to 0. 2 plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. 4x minus 10 is equal to 0. 10 will come here. 4x is equal to 10. X is equal to 2.5. Oxidation state is 2.5. You may get doubts, sir. Oxidation state, can they come in fractions? Yes, children, they can come in fractions. No problem. Okay, because superoxides, suboxides are plus half, minus half. No problem, children. Sometimes you will get in fractions also. Okay, children. Next one. Next one. 15th. See, I told already 15 questions. I told children. I don't know how many of you are feeling comfortable. But anyway, find the oxidation state of chlorine in KClO3. K is +1. Chlorine is X plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 5. Last one sum I will tell. The next questions I will ask you children. You have to tell me. Okay. Sixth one. Find the oxidation state of phosphorus in PO4 minus 3. Okay children. P is X. Oxygen is minus 2. Because minus 3 is there, you should take minus 3. If not, 0 we will take. X minus 8 is equal to minus 3. This comes here children. X is equal to plus 5. X is equal to how much children? Plus 5. Okay. Now I'll give some questions children. All of you keep copying that. Then you have to tell me. Okay. This is your worksheet. Okay children. Keep writing questions. I will ask. H oxidation state of sulfur in HSO3 minus 1. Oxidation state of P in PTCl6 minus 2. How many of you are enjoying children this one? Anyone are able to understand, liking this one? If you like the subject, then definitely it will do miracles for each other. You should like that. So P in P2O7 minus 4. Cr in CrO4 minus 2. Okay, children. Fe in Fe H2O6 taken 3 times. Okay, children. Okay. Next, don't ask me some names, children. Some names I have forgotten. This is plus 3. Okay. Next one, next 24. See how many questions I'm giving. Cu in CuCl4 minus 2. Next, N in NO3 minus 1. Next, okay, next one, children. O in H2O2. Next one, children. S in H2SO H2S2OA, per disulfuric acid. That is called per disulfuric acid. Okay. Okay. Next thing, Cr in CrO5. See children, so many questions and you have to do now. O in Na2O2, sodium peroxide. Sodium peroxide. N in N3H, nitrogen hydride. And in iodine in KiO3, potassium iodide, potassium hydroxide. Okay, next one. P in NaH2PO4, P in NaH2PO4, NaH2PO4, NaH2PO4. Okay, children. So many questions I gave children. So many questions still are there, children. If you want, I will give you first. Let me discuss these questions. Then you will understand, children. So simply, if I keep on shouting, you will not understand anything, children. Okay. Who is going to tell me this question now? One first question. Who is going to tell? One by one. Anyone?
Sir, 5 plus 5.
No. Tell me how to do. You tell me the equation. I will tell because everyone should understand.
Plus 3 into minus
1 plus
only one student, please, children, because it is recording. 1 plus x
plus
3 into
minus 2.
Minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Is equal to minus 1. Okay. 1 plus x minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So how much, children? X minus 5 is equal to minus 1. This comes here. X is equal to plus 4. X is equal to plus 4. Please copy down, children. Please copy down. Those who didn't understand, copy down. As you keep reading, you will understand. Who will tell me platinum in platinum chloride? Anyone? Any one student? Only one.
Sir, x plus 6 into minus 1.
Very good. So that plus 6 into minus 1 is equal to
Minus 2.
Super Nana. Chapali. X.
X minus 6 is equal to minus 2.
Tell. X is equal
X
to
is equal to
minus 2 plus 6.
4.
X is equal to plus
X
4. Very good, Satvika. Very good. So platinum is +4, children. Platinum is +4. Okay. In this compound, in this ion, actually it is an ion because -2 is there. No? Okay. Who is going to me? Who tell
Me.
this phosphorus?
X plus
One,
X
only
plus
one.
1 into
Okay.
4.
ఒక్కరే చెప్పాలి any one, children. Keep saying.
X plus
X plus 4 into
4 into 1 is equal to 1.
plus 1.
One.
Okay. చెప్పాలి. X plus 4 is equal to 1. చెప్పాలి. X
3.
is equal
X
to
is equal
1
to minus
4.
3.
X is equal to -3. Phosphorus is -3 because to go to argon it requires 3 electrons, no children. So -3 only. Okay, -3. Who is going to tell me sulfur? Boys are not involved at all. Boys are not involving only. Very happily.
4x plus
ఇదేంటి minus 4x plus
4x plus 6
6
into -2
is equal to
equals to -1.
very good. ఒకరు చెప్పారు. Very good. చెప్పు
4x minus 12
12
equals to -1.
this comes here.
4x equals to plus 11. X
Okay.
equals to 11 by 4.
Oh, super, super. Very good. 11 by 4. Okay. Next, who is going to tell me next phosphorus?
Me, sir.
Come.
Yes.
Tanush.
2x plus
Ah.
7 into -2 is equal to -4.
2x plus 7 into -2 is equal to -4. చెప్పండి.
-4.
2x
2x plus -14
is equal to
is equal to
-4.
-4. 2x plus 10.
Very good. Tell.
X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5.
Plus 5. You have to say plus 5 because here
Plus-
charges
plus
are important.
5.
Plus means giving,
Yes.
minus means taking. Plus means giving electrons, minus means taking electrons. Here plus and minus are very important, children. Unlike normal. No. Next, who is going to tell chromium in CrO4?
Sir,
Tell. Very good.
x plus 4
Very
into
good.
-2 is equal to -2.
Very good. Very good. I'll involve. Next, చెప్పాలి.
X minus 8 is equal to -2. X is equal to 6.
-2 plus 8, x is equal to plus 6. Super. Very good. Everyone should involve. As you keep doing, you will develop interest on the subject, children. Simply sitting and learning whatever I say is not good. You have to involve. Next one, children. Who is going to tell me the iron?
Sir, X plus
X plus
1 into 2.
6 into 0 because water is a compound. For compounds 0, no. Water is a compound.
Oh,
For compound
okay.
0 is equal to +3. Very good, Nana. Chappu.
Sir,
Plus-
నేను చేశానంటే I expanded and I cancelled plus 2 minus 2.
Oh, fantastic. Like this also you can do, Nana. Anyway, no problem. So you +2 -2 also you can cancel. Very good. Now you tell like this 0 is equal
X
to
is equal to 3.
+3. Like this also you'll get +3 because water is a compound. No, compound means 0, children. Very good. Next, who is going to tell me copper in CuCl4? Any new student?
Sir,
చెప్పాలి.
x plus 4 into -1
4 into
is equal to -2.
-2. X minus 4 is equal to -2.
X is plus
X is equal to -2 plus
X is equal
same
to
students.
4 minus.
Same students are telling. New students are not at all telling. New students are not at all telling. Sanjal, nitrogen in NO3 -1. Sanjal won't talk only. Samira. Ashish.
Sir, can I say, sir, Varshit?
Tell Nana. Tell.
X plus 3 into -2 is equal to -1.
Who is telling?
Sir, Varshit.
Okay, Nana. Very good. Check Nana. X plus 3
plus
into
3
-2.
into -2 is equal to -1. X minus 6 is equal to -1. X is equal to 5.
Varshit. Okay, yeah, 1 plus 6. X is equal to 5. Very good. Who is going to tell me oxygen in H2O2, hydrogen peroxide?
So 2 into
Same
2
student.
into 1.
Okay.
Plus
2 into 1 plus
2x
2x is equal to Agnana. Next, చెప్పాలి. ఎవరు ఒక్కరే చెప్పాలి. Yep.
2x is equal to
2.
2x is equal to -2. X is equal to -1.
Peroxide is -1, children. Normal oxide is -2, but peroxide is -1. Remember, all of you. Normal oxide is -2, but peroxide is -1. Peroxide is always -1. Okay. Next, who will tell me in H2SO8, 5-deoxyribonucleic acid, H2SO8? Who will tell?
So 2 into 1 plus
2 into 1 plus
2 into x
2x
plus 8 into minus 2.
is equal to 0.
0.
Chapma, very good. 2 into
Plus 2x is equal 2 plus 2x minus 16 is equal to 0. 2x is equal 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 7.
very nice, very nice. Next. Any new student?
X minus
X plus 5 into minus 2
X plus 5 into minus 2 is equal to
is
0.
equal to 0. X minus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 10.
Next, who is going to say sodium peroxide?
1 plus
2
See,
into
1 into
plus,
2 plus x is equal to 0.
Okay. 2 plus 2x is equal to 0. 2x is equal to Chappu. 2x is equal to
2x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1.
Peroxide is always minus 1. Next one, who is going to say any new student? No, same students are
Yeah.
saying. Same students are saying children again and again. Same. Anyone new students are there? Nitrogen. Anyone? Anyone new? Okay, those who want, they say.
3x plus
3x plus
Tanush ఒక్కసారి పాపం అప్పటి నుంచి ఎవరు చెప్పనిస్తారు 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. చెప్పు
3x is equal to minus 1.
3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to
X is equal to minus 1 by 3.
Who was telling next after Tanush? Someone was telling. Please, Nana, tell.
1 plus
No, not
1
some other boy was trying to tell.
Tantan.
Nana, చెప్పమా. Idea.
Sir, 1 plus
1 plus
x x plus minus 2 into 3 equals to 0.
Okay.
X plus 1 minus 6 equals to 0.
Okay.
X minus 5 equals to 0. X equals to 5.
Okay. Next, who is going to tell this one? 32nd one. Anyone? Phosphorus in NaH2PO4. Who is telling children?
1 into 1.
Where can I?
Someone say someone. Whoever wants to say. 1 plus
So 1 plus 2 into 1
2 into 1 plus
x
plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0.
plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0.
3 plus
3 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0.
okay.
X minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5.
Okay,
Plus
okay.
5.
So children, see how many sums we did. Almost 32 sums we did, children. Are you people feeling comfortable, children? Are you people feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay.